side. He's going over the bank. Stop right there! 311, he's taking leg bail over the bank. Stop! .311, he's rolling down the bank right now.
Police! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the fucking ground! Right now on the ground! On your face! On your face! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the fucking ground! Get on the fucking ground!
I'm down.
Are you done?
I'm done.
Stretch your arm out over your head. Stretch your arm out all the way over your head.
As far as I
We got control of legs. Ouch.
Okay, straighten out your legs. Straighten them out.
Peter, let me know when you're set.
No, I'm good.
He's all set. He's not
You guys were hurting me, but
Alright,
you're
sir,
not
you're
no
going to
more.
roll towards your right, towards the officer holding your
Yep.
right hand. Are you going to follow my commands? Are you going to follow my
I can't
commands?
hear Joe. We're just
He's rolling his
now.
Ouch. You have to hurt me. Ouch. You guys don't have to hurt me.
No one's hurt you.
I know you are. But it's fine. I'll lay here and Trump will save me.
I was like, oh shoot, he's coming this way. Alright.
So he backed into somebody's cruiser too.
Yeah, 22.
So we got a whole crime scene. We got a process over on Manhattan. I started.
I have somebody at the accident already. Lock the ring.
Roll up on your side. Roll up on your side. Initiate search and incident to arrest. I'll show any firearms at the moment.
Okay, alright. You want to pull your cruiser up around?
Yeah.
Alright.